Hey crew, welcome back. Today we're gonna do the mini chicken bites that you can buy at Chick-Fil-A. It's my take. It's not authentic. It's not that way. It's not their way. It's my way. So we have some chicken tenderloins here that we're gonna cut up into bite-sized pieces, and we have some Park House style yeast rolls, and we're gonna season it with salt, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. And if you're new to the channel and you're seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all, like and comment on each and every video. So y'all stay tuned, about to get started. Okay crew, so just a tip, if you have a cutting board on the countertop, and to prevent it from sliding, always put like a wet paper towel or wet rag under it. So we have our chicken strips. We're just gonna cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then we're gonna rinse them. Then we're gonna season them. So I hope y'all enjoy this music. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance. Tomorrow is another day, so sit around and waste away without you, baby. Oh, without you, baby. My life used to be in blue, now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby.
So once again, we use Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt.
Like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have.
Allow this to marinate within the hot sauce and the seasoning until you're ready to prepare it. So y'all stay tuned. Okay crew, here I have a cup and a half of flour, and to ensure that not only that the chicken is seasoned, we're also going to season the flour, and we're going to go in with the same seasoning.
Honestly, I shouldn't. Caught up in my feelings, messed up and I'm sprung. Something in your smile that it makes me wanna come over. Can I come over? I wanna come over. Thinking about your ocean. Swimming pool is closed and I'm in the deep end. The waves are washing over. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that.
Okay, group. So we have our yeast rolls, and just follow directions on the package, but it says bake them at 300 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. So we got the oven preheating. Then we're gonna put these in there for 25 to 30 minutes. When they come out, we're gonna brush some butter and honey on top of them, the same way that Chick-Fil-A does it. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, crew. So we have our flour here and our chicken. Only thing we're gonna do is put it in the flour, and we're gonna put it in the grease, and we got that at 350. So y'all know how to prepare your chicken. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. So y'all enjoy the music.
I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that no more. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover. Just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? You leave me like that. Your favorite lover do me like that. Ooh, just hit me when I think about that. I'm coming, I'll be coming right back on. Know what's up, know what's up, know what's up. Your favorite lover do me like that, no. Just hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over.
Here goes the chicken bites.
Yeah.
Okay, crew. So we have our butter that I melted, and I have 3 tablespoons of butter here, and I have some honey. And remember, this is not Chick-fil-A authentic. It's my take on Chick-fil-A mini bites. Copycat recipe, but using my recipe. Okay, we have the honey butter done. We have our chicken bites here, and we have our yeast rolls. So we're gonna put everything together. Then we're gonna let the queen try it, and she's gonna tell y'all how close it is to Chick-fil-A. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, cool. So we have our yeast roll. We're just gonna put our chicken in there like that. This is my take on Chick-fil-A mini bites with the yeast roll, fried chicken, and the honey butter sauce. Would you like to try one? Bite it and just say what you think.
My God, it's pretty good. I ain't gonna lie.
It's real good.
Mm-hmm.
Love, you want to try one? Say what it tastes like? And tell me how it compares to Chick-fil-A.
Kind of prefer this over Chick-fil-A.
Oh, she said she preferred these over Chick-fil-A.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 'cause they homemade.
You like them?
I'm not saying Chick-fil-A, but you know what I mean.
They're pretty good, y'all.
Y'all know the brand. I've always been a fan of her yeast rolls, so they're really good. You put honey on it.
The honey butter. Mm-hmm.
You can tell. You can taste the honey. They're not sweet, but it's the perfect mix. They're good.
Jordan made a Chick-fil-A like sandwich, and I know y'all trademarks, so don't be playing like that. And it's really good. I literally just ate it. It's more chicken than the actual Chick-fil-A sandwich, and it's sweeter. And I can actually taste chicken and bread instead of just bread and a little bit of chicken. So I do give it 11 out of 10.
Okay. If you're seeing this, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and set post notifications to all. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.